Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So recently, I'm just seeing some comments like they are asking me to do this hunt videos. So to be very honest with you guys, I'm not actually going to any shops nowadays to buy Hot Wheels or anything. To be very frank with you, the last set of Hot Wheels which I unboxed, in our channel, that's the last set I actually bought. After that, I didn't buy anything. Even PKs came and the people who were actually supporting me, they started. Telling me to buy like 40, 50 cars in one take. So honestly, I'm not going to spend my money on that much of Hot Wheels, that too on a lot of fantasies. See, especially when some shops are actually mentioning something like that, especially the shops who I actually help them to get to a point, and they are also, they are now coming back and telling me that even I need to buy 40 pieces in one take. So I'm not going to encourage that personally. So instead of that, I'll buy either Matchbox or any other premium brands. I will just unbox it. So that's the whole purpose of starting the channel originally. And I didn't plan on unboxing Hot Wheels back then. The only mindset I had was to unbox premium brands, like the one which we are having, at least starting from the Maestro ones, and other brands like back then Mini GT was not there, but Tamika and even Majorers I'm talking about. So those are at least bit easier to get now. So with that said, so this week I have some imported items with me. I hope you guys might have seen my shorts which I posted, I think 30 minutes back. So we are going to unbox those. Let me just showcase you one more time a little bit detail now. So these are by MSZ. So these are actually licensed model, and this one is actually this one I bought from Dubai. One of my friend, he is working there, so he bought me this entire set which I'm going to unbox this week. So let's start with this one. So this is the Huracan STO, and it says that it has a working suspension. So it looks really nice. It has all the details and all. So I wanted to see uh, whether it is fully metal or how it differs from Hot Wheels or other brands, even like Hot Wheels, Matchbox, under the same price range I'm talking about. So since this was not even in Dubai, this was bought in Muscat, I guess. So the pricing is a bit on the higher side. So if you bought exactly in Dubai, the price would come matching our Indian price, somewhere around 190 or 200 around 200 around that range. Since this was bought in Muscat, so the price I bought this for 400 rupees each, if I'm not wrong, as per our Indian money. So with that said, let me just show you the next one. So I really wanted these cars, because I wanted to see how this brand differs. Okay, and the Nissan GTR R35. This is the 50th anniversary edition. I hope you guys remember, at least whoever is with me in this channel, for long time. You guys might have remembered that we unboxed this 50th anniversary edition by Era Cars back then. I think more than a year back. That one looked really amazing. That is a very first die cast in general, and when it comes to more specifically 1:64, I have seen actually has windows and also has a openable door. So just wanted to see how this one looks. So yeah, and another one. So this is a short card, and again these are also from Muscat only. This is a treasure hunt actually. You can see it here, or at least you can see it here. So this is a treasure hunt in this set. So okay, one more thing is I have mistakenly said that these are bought in Muscat. No, these are bought in Dubai. So it is mentioned AED here. So I was a bit confused. I'm really sorry, guys. So I personally love the older cars in general. So this one looked really nice, and you can see it has a lot of good detailing. Even under the chassis. So and it feels a bit heavy. So I personally love this one. So I bought it. And next one would be this. So I was able to get only one of this, and I don't want to spend much money on Matchbox moving parts, because everything is mostly painted, and even the moving parts, it doesn't stay in that upright portion whenever you keep it. So this one, it has some wedging here, so it actually stays in this position. Compared to measure it, I won't even bother buying Matchbox ones. But compared to Hot Wheels, I would prefer Matchbox because of the detailing. They Most of the Matchbox have all side detailings and everything. And last but not least, my first ever Matchbox chase, which is this one. So the Mercedes Benz Unimog U300. So I really need to thank my friend Job Jose for this, because he only actually helped me to get this entire set. So we will be unboxing all this entire week. So stay tuned for everything, guys, and keep on supporting. And as usual, thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.